Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are all doing well. So today we'll be talking about Azure certifications. Okay, so you may have heard about this term that you should have certifications on the time of switching a job, on the time of getting a project, better project or good project. So in service-based companies, you should have a certifications. Based on this, if you did any certifications, based on this, the high chance to get any another project or get any good company, get a chance to crack any good company. If you want to be a Azure developer or data engineer, so you should have a certification. Certification is must, so you should have one certifications if you did any certification. So if you are a beginner, that represents that you are eligible to work in Azure. Okay, Azure or any, there are many kind of infrastructures are there, like Azure, AWS and GCP. So like that, so many services are there and infrastructures are there. You can think that which certification you need to do. If you are a student, then you can think that which certification you need to do. You can't make a decision that which could be better for you. Don't worry, I'll tell you in this video. What is Azure? Azure is nothing but a infrastructure. Okay, with the help of Azure, you can store your data, you can do networking, you can do manage databases, you can also do deploy and run your servers with the help of virtual machines, and you can also manage Kubernetes clusters or containers. So these kind of things you can do with the help of Azure or in Azure. Okay, Azure is nowadays on demand skills. Okay, so if you do Azure certifications, that will be, your resume will be very high quality. Okay, if you'll do it, okay, there is very high chance to crack a good company, then you can get also the high package. Okay, so that is pretty good, and the amount the amount of the certifications of little bit high, but you can manage, because if you are a student also you can do it, and if you are a company or employee, then also you can reach out to your organization's team, then you can do it. Okay, first time they will give the voucher of 100%, next time you will get 50%, and then next time also you will get 50% off. Okay, so it is pretty good to do the certificate. Okay, and before that you will go through a course of any certifications, and after that you need to clear the examinations. Okay, so if you will clear the examination, then within 1 or 2 days you will get the certificate. Amount of the Azure certifications is little bit around 4,000 rupees. If your profile have a certificate and you can show it, then your demand will be high. Okay, so there are say little bit different kind of certifications are there. So I'll tell you which kind of certifications are there. There are different certifications. These are Azure 900, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals for beginners. Okay, this is also good. And next is AZ104, that is Microsoft Azure Administrator. And then next is AZ204, developing solutions for Microsoft Azure for developers can do these certifications. Next, AZ400, DevOps Engineer Expert. If you want to be a DevOps engineer expert, then you should have AZ400 certifications. The next, DP203, that is Microsoft Azure Data Engineering Associate, for Data Engineering Associate. Okay, it is, and the next is DP900, Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals. Okay, so these are the Azure certifications. There are various types of certifications there. If possible, I'll mention in the screen. Okay, so you can prepare from courses from Udemy or Coursera. There are 2 or 3 types of platform are there. You can do it from there. Okay, so main thing is that if you do the certifications, then you will get a high package. And also the thing is that if you will do the certification, then you should know what you have learned on that certification course. I will suggest Microsoft Azure Fundamental AZ 900. It is for all. It is for all beginners. You can do it. Okay, it is very good. You will know everything about Azure in this certifications, so you can go for it. Let me know your thoughts in comment section so that I can make another videos for you. If you have any query, you can ask me on comment section. So bye bye.